We have lightning in Western Washington right now. It is freaking phenomenal. I'm right up against the window, so it might catch reflective light. There's raindrops, so it's just gorgeous. You could see this huge, like, cloud ring. But I've seen some huge lightning. Just, whoa, that was a huge strike. I'm going to go on the other side of the sunroom. I've got the light off so that I can get a better picture of it all. I am so lucky to have such a great view here. That one that went straight down. That was like around Alki. It's on the other side. I think that actually that might be Woodby Island on the other side. I can't remember what's on the other side. If this was Seattle, the other side would... Whoa! Woo! Yeah! That was awesome! Whoa! And see how the sky just lights blue when there's other lightning around? It just, it lights up everywhere. Whoa! Do you see that? It's not the only, that was not the only lightning bolt. It's like this whole circuit that happens. We'll see another one come and touch down over here. It'll get really brightly blue. You could see the rainfall. I mean, the dark cloudy stripes. That's all rainfall. I mean, oh man. Oh. And then there's going to be some more out this way soon, and it's going to brightly blue. It's going to get really bright blue soon because it's traveling across the way out by Seattle. See, there's some right there. Oh, actually, that's a car. See, it's getting really bright. And that's thunder. Actually, it might happen up front again. Whoa, I should have had the picture right over here. Damn it. I will next time, because the lightning's going to be here. And then it'll be over to the right again. Wait for the bolt. And I actually think it's traveling a little bit over. There it is. Yeah, it's traveled over. That's my neighbor right there, the house that's in the way of the lightning bolt. So it's traveled over, and the lights that you see over, not where the land mass is, but the Navy base is right over there in the marina. So that's not where it's hitting, but oh shoot, I missed it again. But now we'll be able to see